As promised, I'm going to show you guys how do I normally start a painting off and actually paint. That's my technique of painting. So I'm going to take you through that, but obviously we're not going to get started painting today. The reason why I'm having this intro is I need to show you the size of my canvases and the scale that I'm working in. It's going to be an acrylic paint, and this is how I normally look when I'm just at home, not going out. No makeup, zero makeup. My lovely Lily told me that I actually look better without base on. Apparently it creeps into my wrinkles, but yeah, that's maybe a little bit oversharing, but I'm doing that. Okay, and that's my husband focusing on the true love in his life. So this is the canvas. It's got a little bit of history. It moved with us now for 2 years. I never had the courage. Well, actually the size is almost similar to the other one I'm going to show you just now. But I'm going to start painting this, and I'm looking forward to just tackling it and sharing it with you. I'm going to take you over to the other one that I've just done. So this is a beautiful day in Montreux, by the way, and the reason why I'm dressing like this is because I'm going to go for a run just now. This is bigger than the one that we're going to do, and it took me about a month to do. So I'm thinking of doing my cat, but I haven't decided yet. But that's maybe a subject that we can discuss. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should paint. I can give you an option of painting maybe a political figure, because face painting in this technique is actually quite easy. So if you want to see what I'm doing, how I've been doing the face painting, I can put maybe a photo in the comments below. Thank you very much, and we'll see how it's going.